Here we go, guys. I'm buying now, no, the things that school supply. Ito pala, oh, may mga ganito, kuya. Hindi ba ano to? Writing na, ayan, puro, ay, hindi pala, composition. Ayun, malas. Ayan, we are going to buy, no, the things that basic need, no, paper, notebook, no, 10 pieces, no, and then all eraser, pencil, we are going to buy now here, no, in the near area, no, we already got na, ayan, asan yung ating ano, and here, we already got the notebook, no, this is a pack, no, 10 pieces, and this is all writing notebook for grade 1 until grade 3, no, they're almost same, no, writing notebook. So we have the pack here, no, 10 pieces, no. We're going to buy the grade 1, grade 2 paper, no, paper. talaga silang walang nagbigay, walang ano, kaya hindi sila makapasok. So, para makapasok, ayan, meron silang 1 set of uniform. Okay, good. O, ayan, 1 set. Thank you sa mga sponsor. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Ayan na guys, yung ating mga complete set of uniform na binili natin, kasama sila, no? So as you can see, we have one for the girls, no? Yan yung ating nakasalita na si Drianica, yan. So thank you so much sa ating mga sponsor, no? And then ito pa isang set, no? Kasi talagang wala silang magagamit kahit luma, walang nagbigay, no? So para makapasok na sila on Monday, ayan, so sila po yung complete, no, with the shoes, no, ayan na po, no. So eto rin po yung mga gamit na binili namin, na ipapack namin to, no, para sa kanila. May mga colors, pencil, and mga paper, notebooks, no, 10 pieces po itong mga notebook natin, 10 pieces, no. 1 kid, no, hindi na natin dinamihan yung mga guys, kasi talagang napakamamahal na ng mga guys, at gusto ko maging complete package yung maging natin, So ayan po yung ipapack natin, isi-set natin po yan mamaya. So maraming salamat mga sponsor, maraming salamat sa ating mga sponsor sa pagbibigay ng ating mga nakayanan bukal sa ating mga kalooban. Thank you po.